prioritize. So when it comes to building the biceps in the Greek God gym, we prioritize 3 major workouts: the wide grip coils, the close grip coils, and the hammer coils, right? In today's video, we're going to teach you how to do the wide grip coils. Now, we do these 3 majorly because the bicep has 3 heads, right? And like we always say, there's no point doing so many workouts, so many workouts when we just have 3 heads. So majorly 1 workout per head, right? Long head, short head, and brachii. Wide grip coils for the short head, close grip coils for the long head, and hammer coils for the brachii. Am I correct? Right. So we are going to teach you in this video how to do the long head, and in subsequent videos we are going to teach you the other workouts. Right. So like we always say, you have to pay attention to which joint carries the weight. Which joint carries the weight? That is the joints that you're going to pay more attention to. Is it the shoulder joint? Is it the elbow joint? Is it the wrist joint? And in this case, the joint that will carry the weight is the elbow joint. And if it is the elbow joint, that means the elbow joint is the only joint that is supposed to be working, not the wrist, not the shoulder. The moment you engage the shoulder, the moment you engage the wrist, then you are reducing the tension that your bicep is supposed to carry. You are reducing the efficiency. Right? So basically, that is very important. That information is very important because when you move only the elbow joint, then you are going to be attacking only the biceps. When you move the shoulder joint, forget about it. Right? So Coach Ben is going to show us in practice how to do this. So Coach Ben, let's get to work. Yeah. Now, before he does this, stretches and contraction, don't forget about that. I always say that. Stretches and contraction, whatever muscles that you are building, you make sure that you stretch it and you contract it. So in the case of biceps now, in the case of this now, if you go this way and you stop this way, you are not stretching it enough. So you have to go down and give it that good stretch. Maybe you should turn this way so that you see how wide you are holding it. Remember, we are teaching you the wide grip coils, and what is termed wide is any distance that is beyond your shoulder. If it is beyond your shoulder, then it is wide. If it is, then it is close, right? So this is wide, this is wide, this is wide, depending on how long your hand is. Yes. One major information again. The function of the short head is this. Without your short head, you can't be doing this. And that is why for you to build the short head, you have to open your hand and be doing this. Practical. Right? So, Coach Ben, let's go. Shaking, see, stretch it down, you contract it. This one big past your head. Big past your head. Do you understand? So you can see the stretches and you can see the contraction at the end. Turn around. Let's see the stability. Let them see the stability of this thing. Let's go down. Good. So if you notice, only the elbow joint is moving. So there is no swinging. There is no this. There is no this. There is no this. Strictly on the elbow joint, right? So this is how to correctly perform the wide grip coils. And in the next video, we are going to teach you the close grip.